ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 51, Destruction of Aghasura. कदाचन व्रजशिशुभिः समं भवान् वनाशने विहितमतिः प्रगएतराम समावृतो बहुतरवत्समण्डलैः सतेमनैर्निरगमदीशजेमनैः accompanied by the boys of Vraja and surrounded by a large herd of cows, thou didst once leave home very early in the morning for a picnic in the woods, well furnished with cooked rice, condiments, curds, buttermilk, and such other viands. विनीर्य तत्तव चरणाम्बुजत्वया तुदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेबरैः रुदुहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः. With thrills of joy did the sages who stood in eagerness to see thee allow themselves to be bathed in the world-sanctifying dust raised by the tread of thy holy feet as thou didst make for the woods. प्रचारयत विरशलादले तले पशून विभो भवती समं कुमारकैः आघासुरो न्यरुणददाय वर्तनिं भयानकः सपदीशयानकाकृतिः. O all-pervading being, as thou with the boys were grazing the cows in the woodland pastures, a fierce demon named Aghasura, having the form of a formidable python, barred thy way with evil intention. महाचलप्रतिमतनो गुर्हानिभप्रसारित प्रथितमुखस्य कानने मुखोदरं विहरणकौतुकादकताः कुमारकाः किमपि विदूरगे त्वयि. While thou wert gone a little ahead, the boys who had mistaken the huge body of the Asura for a mountain and his wide open mouth for a cave entered into it in their engrossment in play. प्रमादतः प्रविशतीपनगोदरं क्वततनौ पशुपकुले सवत्सके विदनिदं त्वमपि विवेशितप्रभो सुहृजनं विशरणमाशु रक्षितुम्. When by mistake the Gopa boys with all the cows had entered into the stomach of the snake and begun to smart there, thou, O Lord, who apprehended the situation, also did enter there in order to save thy helpless friends. गलोदरे विपुलितवर्षमणा त्वया महोरगे लुटती निरुद्धतमारुते द्रुतं भवान् विदिलतकण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन पशून् विनर्ययो. When thou remaining within the throat of the snake did increase the size of thy body, that huge python became breathless and began to writhe in agony, whereupon thou did quickly tear asunder its massive neck and come out, releasing the Gopa boys and the cows. क्षणं दिवि तदुपगपार्थमास्थितं महासुरप्रभव महो महो महत्ता विनिर्गते त्वयि तु निलीनमञ्जसा नभःस्थलेन नृतुरतो जगुः सुराः. Oh, what a wonder! A great brilliance that emerged from the Asura and stayed a while in the sky, awaiting thy emergence, now entered into thee as thou didst come out, while the gods in heaven danced and sang. सविस्मैः कमलभवादिभिः सुरैरनुद्रुतस्तदनुगतः कुमारकैः दिने पुनस्तरुणदशामुपीयूषी स्वकैर्भवानतनुतभोजनोत्सवम्. Shortly after, while Brahma and the gods watched thy movements in wonder, thou didst join the company of the other cowherd boys and sit with them for lunch as the sun reached the meridian. विषाणिकामपि मुरलिं नितम्बके निवेशयन कबलतरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन कलवचनैः कुमारकान् न बुभोजित त्रिदशगणैर्मुदानुतः. With the horn and the flute tucked in thy waistband, with a ball of rice held in thy hand, and provoking peals of laughter among the boys by thy humorous talks, thou didst take thy meal, while the hosts of gods sang thy praise in joy. सुखाषणन्त्वः तव गोपमण्डले मखाषणात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्ते दशवरैर्जगत्पते मुरुत्पुरीनिलय गधात् प्रपाहि माम्. O Lord of the universe, residing in the temple of Guruvayur, may thou, of whom the gods remarked that this homely meal with the cowherd boys was more pleasing to thee than the offerings of a yajna partaken amidst celestial beings, be pleased to save me from my ailments. Canto 51 is completed. I'll be back with another story in the coming week. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.